Hello, in this video I will show you how to use my latest plugin, SMP Social Mass Poster plugin for WordPress. So to get started, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate the zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. After the installation, activate the plugin and go to Plugin Settings. Here you will see that the plugin requires a YouTube app ID because the plugin has its core features around YouTube. So it will import YouTube videos to your blog and post them to Pinterest and in the future also other social networks. It also has the feature to grab royalty-free images from many image sources and attach them to the YouTube post. So let's demonstrate its features. You will have to get a YouTube app ID from here. Let's select the project. Now let's go to credentials and create a new API key. This is the key I just got. Don't bother using it because I will delete it in the future when I finish this video. Okay, paste it here. Now all we have to do is insert post titles. Let's say turtles on the beach. Okay, so I inserted 3 post titles, and let's if you want to check this, then the plugin will get post titles in a random order. If you don't check it, it will get post titles in this order. And so the plugin gets a post title, it searches YouTube for videos that match this query, and it attaches the YouTube video to the created post with this title. Number of videos per search result, you can select from 1 to as many as you wish videos in a single post. Image attribution text. Note that some image sources require an image attribution link. You can modify the text here. The image attribution will be available with this shortcode in the prepend and append content. I'll speak about this right now. You can prepend imported videos with this text. Here also you can use spin text if you want, or the following shortcodes. The featured image URL. The featured image is imported from the royalty-free image sources like Pixabay or others. I'll talk about this in a minute. Image attribution. This can be configured from here. Post title. Show image to display the image. This is only the URL of the image. This will display the image. Search terms and search hashtags. Search terms will try to generate some generic search terms for the post based on these titles. The search terms will be broadly matching, so they will be not the same. they will be only contextual the same. Okay. So let's prepend contact with show post image shortcode. This will display the post image. Also, you can configure how the YouTube videos will be shown. Video embed and video description. Description will be shown for each video. And append content with something. You can append content with image attribution link, for example. Okay. Number of generated posts. Let's generate only one post. For time interval. So if you want to generate every 1 day one post, you can configure it here like this. Or if you want to generate every day 1000 posts, you can configure it like this. So every day 1000 posts will be generated. But let's keep it simple and down to every day one post. You can select posting start date. If you select the start date in the future, then the posting will start only when you select it. Author ID. You can set the author ID from WordPress that post will be attributed to. Post status. Post type. Enable comments, enable pingbacks, enable post password, post category. You can select categories, post tags, some embedded player options. You can resize the player, enable autoplay, show closed captions, use white theme for YouTube player, show video controls, disable player keyboard control, enable iframe API, stop playing after this amount of seconds or start playing only after this amount of seconds, show full screen button, show video animations, loop video, modest branding to remove the YouTube icon, show related videos after playback, show info and player language. So these are YouTube related settings. And post featured image settings. Automatically set post featured image. If you want to set the post featured image, or if you want to import images from static content, you can define a static featured image that will be assigned to all generated posts. YouTube video image to use the image that the YouTube video provides, or royalty-free image to import images from these royalty-free sources. Also, you can enable broad image search to search for images on broad terms. Morgufile app ID, this is a source. So right now you can import for Morgufile, Flickr or Pixabay. So you can import for Morgufile. To get an app ID, click here. Flickr, the same, you get an app ID. Pixabay app ID, these are all required. If you don't fill out these will be disabled. Only if you only fill out one, only one will be enabled. So let's say I want to get from Pixabay. Let's get a app ID from them. This is a Pixabay app ID. Let's get it. Okay. You can define what image types you want to get. Minimum width and height. Save search, editor's choice, filter language. Default featured image. If no featured image found, you can resize featured image. You can put an overlay over the image. This should be a PNG format for the best results. Also, other formats are supported, but PNGs are generating the best results with this. Here you can define the location of the overlay, where you want to put the overlay inside the featured image. 0, 0 coordinates are the top left, is the top left corner of the image. So please calculate your location in function of the top left corner. Here you will have to enter your Pinterest app ID. If you want to enter here anything, you can get the app ID here. If you want to post to Pinterest automatically, you have to insert your app ID and app secret here. And also, if you want to generate new posts on save, check this checkbox. Okay. Now let's have a look at our test blog. It has only a test post on it, and let's save settings and let's generate a new post. Let's have a look at our blog. It already generated a new image, a new post with a beautiful image inside it and a video that is related to this. Also, the source of the image is Pixabay. Okay, now let's go and generate another post. So let's see what we got. Turtles on the beach. Okay, and another one to generate all free images, all free posts from these. Let's get back and let's see the most beautiful island. Okay. Also, you have Pinterest pinning settings. If you want to enable Pinterest pinning, you have to enable authorize the app. You have to insert your app ID and secret here and authorize the app for posting. To show to see how to do this, please check Pinterest-o-matic YouTube video, which has the same mechanism on this.
Hello.
So here you will see how to do this.
First time, here you can create a rule to search Pinterest for.
I already done this in this video. Pinterest-o-matic automatic post generator. Here you will see
you must have a Pinterest account and click create.
Here you can see how to create a Pinterest app, how to insert it in the plugin, how to authorize the app.
You must.
Here you will see everything that
you must
is needed to be done.
And delete from the URL HTTP.
So this is all. I hope you will enjoy this plugin. Until next time, bye bye.